Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about spray foam roofing and asbestos. And everything you need to know. So I know some roofing projects, they may require you to get an asbestos test before any roofing project is done. Certainly it's a dangerous material and you need to get it removed. So I think one option is you either hire an abatement company to come up there and remove this stuff before a roofer does a project on your roof, or another option is to use spray foam and you can encapsulate all your asbestos at the same time as doing your roofing project. So I want to talk about the cost of an abatement company. I mean, it's usually $20 to $65 a square foot, which is a lot more higher than a spray foam roof, which is $4 to $7 a square foot. And also they might have a minimum charge of $1,200 to $1,500 to remove asbestos. So certainly a huge added expense to your roofing project. Some of the roofs we've done, you need as little as 3/4 of an inch of spray foam to fully encapsulate asbestos, and there's no added safety issues. So it's really just kind of eliminating the abatement company before you do roofing project if you have asbestos. So how it's done is usually we power wash every roof before putting spray foam on, just to make sure it adheres correctly. But with asbestos you can't do that because you could flake it and it'll go through the air and be airborne. So what we'll do is gently rinse it with a hose, just to get some loose particles off there, and then we'll spray foam over top of it, do 2 coats of coating, and it'll be all encapsulated. So basically just wanted to introduce that this is a new way to handle asbestos if you have to do it on your roof. It could reduce the total cost of your roofing project. So if you can and you want to learn more, please go to the description. There's a full blog post there with more details. Hopefully today you learned at least one thing new today, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.